What is going on, familia? It is Dan and Jojo coming back at it again with another YouTube video for you guys once again. I just want to say, as always, as I always do, thank you for all the love. Thank you all for all the support. Thank you for the new members of the family. I really do love y'all. I love the support. I'm just going to keep this thing going. But today's video is going to be about putting Catless downpipes on the E92. So freaking excited for this. This just gets me closer to being full bolt-ons. It's gonna be freaking amazing. So initially, I was going to put the downpipes in myself with the help of Uli. But unfortunately, you know, bringing it to Mavis where I got my brakes done, my boy Chris, the manager that works there, shout out to you, Chris, he said that the bolts are rusted in, so it's a no-go. And I actually brought it to Valvoline where my other boy Angel works, and he was like, yo, those bolts are rusted too. I got my oil change done there with the liquid moly. I brought in my own oil. He was like, nah, it's a no-go. So Angel, actually, shout out to you again, he referred me to a guy on Instagram that does some work, and I looked through his stuff, looked through the cars he's worked on, and it looks like he does good work. So I'm gonna give them a try. I'm actually gonna be heading this to them later tonight. If not tonight, maybe the next day, but I'll keep you guys posted. We're gonna be putting those things in. I'm so freaking excited. The car is gonna sound so much more aggressive. I cannot wait to have this thing full bolt-ons. You don't understand. It's gonna sound freaking amazing. I have literally had these downpipes for about 2 months, maybe 3 months, and like I said, I wasn't joking. Like, all of my stuff has been in the back of one of my cars, and I've just been dying to put it in. Weather here, it makes it so hard to do work on your own, like your cars, with the weather over here. I can't drive the 335 in the winter. I tried it already, it just doesn't go anywhere, especially with summer tires on it. So it was a no-go. But now that the weather's becoming perfect, we're gonna get it done. If you don't know, if you're not into the Beamer community, or you just don't know that much about cars, VRSF, really good, highly recommended brand to get your downpipes from. Like I said, I'm freaking happy. This is open already. I opened it when I got it a few months ago, but I was so freaking excited. These are Catless downpipes. Look at how big these things are. You see them in pictures and you're like, yeah, they don't even look that big, or, you know, this and the other. But these are big boys. And you can just tell, like, look at the quality of work done to the downpipes. Like, these things are freaking gonna sound amazing, amazing, amazing. But it comes with, all right, that was bad. All right, but it comes with the bolts, comes with the gaskets. You know, you have to replace them when you take them off. So the mechanic, whoever's going to be working on my car, is going to have to take them off. But yeah, guys, it's just the downpipes and the bolts and the gaskets. So it is the next day. The guy ended up hitting me back last night. He was like, oh, sorry, I got caught up with work, this and the other. Just bring it by today. So that's what we're going to do. But let's give you guys a cool start. That is the last cold start with stock downpipes. That's just blowing my mind right now. Like, to think I finally have a car that I can modify and put downpipes into. I've been dreaming about this stuff for, man, ever since I got my car and I started getting into the YouTube world and started seeing people modify their cars. I wanted to just start throwing things like downpipes, you know, just a turbocharged car, like just making your car loud, making it sound nice. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, so just to put in words and be like, I'm taking my car to the shop to go get downpipes installed, it's so big to me. So I'm freaking excited, man. I can't wait to hear how it sounds with the downpipes in it. Is that my Uber? As always, Uli, man. Is that my Uber? Yo, today is the day, guys. We are picking up the car right now, and we're actually gonna be tuning it as well too. Obviously, I'm not gonna do the stage 2 plus just yet because I don't have the intercooler in.
Yes, we are. we are.
He wants to see me. He wants to see me pulled over on the side of the road. We got it back. I'm gonna have Uli start it up for us because just want to hear how it sounds. Alright guys, as you saw earlier, we started up the car, revved it up a little bit. It's rattling just a little bit. It's kind of bothering me, not gonna lie, but as soon as we do the tune, we install the tune to the car, it should kind of go away. So we're gonna be going with the MHD tune. I think we're just gonna go for the stage 2 plus. We might as well, even though we don't have the intercooler in there. It's not like I'm gonna be pushing it or anything, over speed limits and stuff like that, but we might as well just do it. So that's what we're gonna end up doing. I gotta install this to the car. I gotta go into the app that I have. I gotta buy the actual tune, and yeah. We have the car all turned off. Just make sure when you guys are doing this that you guys have another actual battery connection, battery terminal, because if your car does die, it will lead to more errors. Make sure your windows are down, just so you know when it's all done, like you don't lock yourself out of your car, because like I said, it is playing with your electricals. As you can see, Uli's doing his magic over there. And yeah, you're just gonna want to download the MHD app. You're gonna want to open it up on your phone. In my case, I have the actual MHD Wi-Fi adapter, so it just connects to the phone automatically. Buy the tune that you're gonna want to get. Like I said, I'm doing the stage 2, so yeah, we should see from here. It's gonna take about, I think it's gonna take about 30 minutes or so. We just gotta see. It's preparing. So what I was trying to say before, so as you can see, it's 24 minutes left, but what I was trying to say before is you can mess up your OEM DME if you decide to turn it on. And all these lights and stuff on the dash, that's regular when you're doing a tune. It's supposed to happen, but you can really mess up your whole car if you turn it on during this process. Like, it could be really bad. I could be stranded. Look at that, thing's going crazy down there. But hey, I got 23 minutes left. Wish me luck, guys. The next thing that I will be addressing, guys, is definitely these headlights. Oh, and the bumper, for sure. I just feel like when I'm on the highway and I'm coming up behind somebody, it can either be like, damn, like, what is that? Like, or it could be like, ew, like, look at this piece of shit. But I don't know, I gotta change that out. I gotta get BC coilovers, because my suspension in the rear is failing on me a little bit, but it's not too bad. I got the brakes done. I want to get the LCI taillights for sure, but I think I'm gonna wait on it. A little bit. Definitely the M-Tech rear bumper too. Just gotta wait. It's a whole waiting game. I've been spending a lot of money on this car, so. But it's all been good money. It's been good money. Your boy did get another camera. It is actually at the house right now. I haven't used it, or I was gonna pull it out today, but I just haven't had the time to go get the SD card, and it requires a 4D SD card, so I wouldn't even be able to switch this one over onto that one. But once I get the SD card, I definitely am gonna start using that. You're gonna see a difference in the quality and stuff. Overall, that camera's freaking sweet. I can't wait to start using it. I do need somebody to do my rollers, because I don't know, these people on Instagram are mad disrespectful. Nobody wants to do my rollers for me, and I'll pay you potentially, or I'll take you out to eat, whatever, but nobody wants to do them. I definitely need some photography done to the car too. I want to include it into an intro. I'm not sure if I want to make my own intro yet, or just have somebody, pay somebody to do it, but kind of fluctuating with it. But yeah, I definitely need somebody to do rollers for me, for sure. Do rollers, maybe a potential burnout, maybe a little drift or something. I don't know. I'm still debating on it. New camera will be on the channel coming next video, so yeah, I gotta stay tuned for that. It's definitely gonna be better quality, and it's gonna look sick. I'm gonna freaking love using that camera because I can actually play around with settings on the camera and stuff. The GoPro is still gonna be used, don't get me wrong, but that camera is just, it's gonna be bringing the car meets, and maybe I'll start doing photography for people, you know, on their cars and stuff. So we'll see. It was a success. Everything turned on, everything is all good. That's all that matters. So yes guys, it has been a couple of days since the Catless downpipes were installed and the tune was done. Not gonna lie to you guys, I've been a little bit upset because, you know, I have a turbo rattle now that's louder than what it was before. The turbos would only rattle before on a cold start and then it would go away, but now it's just like every time I'm in first and second, you hear it, kind of. I'm kind of sort of learning how to control it, but it's all right. At least I got, you know, pops and bangs now. I'm running a stage 0 tune right now because the car actually did have something wrong with it. It's the low pressure fuel pump sensor. It's not the low pressure fuel pump, the whole thing, thank God, but it's a sensor. I went on FCP Euro, ordered it. It should be in within, you know, the next couple of days, but we're gonna get that installed. I haven't been pushing the car like that. I've only drove the car like once this week, so I've been really letting this car just rest up. Just waiting on that part to come in because I really can't even go into boost without me getting a check engine now because of the, you know, because of the sensor. Today we are gonna be going on a POV, a little POV. I do like a 30-second POV because, like I said, I can't really push the car much. So there's only so much I can show you guys. It's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna show you just how it sounds, how the pops and bangs sound, because it does sound a little better. But like I said, don't mind the rattle. I've been trying to just, you know, hear it out. But yeah, let's try to take on a street or something. I'm gonna try to figure out which street I'm gonna go to. But I gotta go do something anyway, so I just put this strap into my head and we'll be ready. I don't know how you guys can hear me up there, but this is my POV. Oh man, I've been wanting to do this for a minute, but I usually have the e-brake up. I usually just go into sport. The car's warmed up a little bit, so we'll be all right. Oh! Let's get that turbo out of the way. But you see, it goes away on third. Not too bad. Yeah, it's popping like a mug. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's popping a lot though. Like I said, I can't really hit it too much because the check engine will go on. It just cuts out all my turbo power. These cars are very nitpicky in that sense. Woo! Who wants this 40 roll? Nah, I'm gonna give you guys, when the car's all fixed up and stuff, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so fun with this thing on my head. Oh my, yo, do you hear this, guys? That's ridiculous. All right, it sounded really good today. It wasn't sounding like that the other day. But yeah, that's basically what the downpipes did. Oh my god, everything's so noisy. I feel like it's so noisy. But that's basically what the downpipes did. It opened up the engine and opened up the turbos, and that's why I got a whole bunch of rattle. But it's all good, you know. Just pushing more power. The sounds, the car sounds a little better. So I'm really happy with the results. As always, familia, thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. You know I love making this stuff for you guys. The car is not 100% just yet. Still waiting for the sensor to come in the mail. It should be 100% pretty soon, but I'll keep you guys posted on Instagram. I'm probably not gonna make a video of me putting the sensor back into the car. If you don't have me on Instagram, it's at Jojo the Nene. Probably put it on the screen somewhere here. But thank you guys for tuning in once again. Much love. Love you guys. Have a good day. Everybody stay safe. Deuces.